Sila ba sila?
You have to split out hand.
5 fouls, number 2. 5 fouls, number 2.
5?
5.
It's up.
5 fouls.
Come on, right now. Heck, man.
Ganito ginagawa dyan.
Tali nyo.
Hindi. Ganito na gagawin dyan.
Tanggalin mo yung sapatos.
Oh, hindi na maglalaro yan.
Hey, did you do this? Is that your stuff? Yeah. I'm gonna play with Bert. I'm gonna bring you a shirt.
Go down. Swing.
Nice.
Swing, make it easy. Look up.
Throw it, Alex.
Swing.
Go. Yeah.
Help. Get down, push. Get down, push. Come on.
Foul.
Let's go, put it back. There you go, Chris. Go on.
You say you got 7 more.
He made me look there.
Oh,
Look up.
good shot, son.
Bravo.
He's warming up.
Now you make it, Alex.
Get it, Yakino.
Shoot that 3, Sergeant. Good shot. Help, go down, help. Help, go down. Good. Now play deep. Nice, good shot, SJ.
Naiwan na sila ng 3 points niya. Shoot it. And yun sa mga kalisanan eh. Hey, Doc!
They got goalie, man. He's too hot.
Wala na pamalit eh. Papalit mo to eh.
That's it. Pito na yun ah.
Papalit mo to.
Ayun o, pasok mo sila eh. Sila eh. All the way. Don't flash it. Go all the way.
Renjan Municipal.
Nice. Take this. Turn. Help. Ball. Go down.
time.
Go down. Nice. Okay.
Kala niya papasok na. So,
Kapitan. Kasi...
shoot it, shoot it.